Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is part 3 video in the Sicilian Defense. Okay, you can see now. In today's chess video, I am going to show you 3 amazing opening wraps in the Sicilian Defense. Okay, I will be showing you 3 unbelievable games where some really strong players lost in the opening. Let's check out our first wrap. I am going to give you 3 different best and amazing wraps. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 1, part 3 video. Okay, hello everyone, this is wrap number 1 in the Sicilian Defense part 3 video. Let's go to the wrap. First move is e4, c5, knight c3. Okay, now black decided to push his knight to c6, then white knight go to f3. Now white both knight come outside. Okay, now black pawn go to g6, then bishop go to b5. Okay, then knight go to d4, then bishop go to c4. Now you can see come to cancel this match. Black bishop go to g7, then knight cross d4, knight take the knight, then pawn take the knight, then queen go to f3. Okay, if black take the knight, that's it. In one move white wins by checkmate. Okay, you can see come to white win by checkmate. Now cut the pawn with white queen take the pawn and beautiful checkmate. This is wrap number 1 in the Sicilian Defense part 3 video. Let's go to the wrap number 2 in the Sicilian Defense. Okay, hello chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is wrap number 2 in the Sicilian Defense part 3 video. Let's check it out the moves. Okay, first move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then c5. This is called Sicilian Defense. The second move of white knight go to f3, then pawn go to e6, then d4, then c cross d4, then knight cross d4, then a6. We will see one by one. Now the fifth move of white knight go to c3. Now white both knight come to outside. Okay, we will see come to cancel this match my opponent black. Okay, now queen come to c7, black queen come to c7, then bishop go to e3, then bishop go to b4. Now pin the knight. We will see come to cancel this match white queen go to d2 and defend the knight, then knight go to f6 and attack the pawn. That's why now f3 pawn, push the pawn to f3 and defend the pawn. Then the black push his pawn to d5, and then bishop go to d3, then by black pawn come to here on e5, then knight come to here on b3. That's it. Push the pawn to d4. Now poke the knight and bishop. If he take, that's it. Cut the bishop. Totally this game black win because black has so many pieces. And you can see now here this queen pin the knight, this bishop pin the knight. He cannot take outside this knight because if take outside, the bishop take cut the queen. Otherwise this pawn attack the knight. Total this game black win easily. Black will be win the game easily. That's it. We can go to the wrap number 3 in the Sicilian Defense part 3 video. Okay, hello chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sir Milan Chess. This is wrap number 3 in the Sicilian defense. White wins the game. How to wrap the black queen, why the white queen? Okay, you can see how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. c5. This is called Sicilian defense. Then knight f3, d6. Okay. Then third move of white 10. White pawn go to d4. Then pawn cut the pawn. Then knight take the pawn e. Then knight go to f6. We will see one by one now. The fifth move of white 10. White bishop go to c4. Then knight take the pawn e. Then queen go to h5. Now attack the pawn with bishop and queen attack, double attack here. Then e6, he push the pawn to e6. Then you can see how to white won the game. Okay, now bishop go to bc5 and beautiful check. Then bishop black the check with bishop. Then if knight take the e6, okay, knight cross e6. Okay, now I take the queen. That's why black queen come to a5 and beautiful check. Now black the check with bishop. Then knight take the bishop. That's it. In 2-3 moves, black lost his queen. You can see how to lost the queen. Now cut the bishop and discover check here. You can see now totally this game by white win. The white wrap the queen now. Okay, now here is a check. That's why he cannot do anything. He will move. He will cut like this. That's it. He lost the queen. Okay, this is wrap number 3 in the Sicilian defense part 3 video. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.